My name is Cassandra Rivera, and I will be attending Texas A&M University at College Station. My dream job is to commission into the United States Air Force to become a pilot.
Cassandra is a student with high expectations that she has set for herself, and she has exceeded them in every program that she has ever signed up for. We're excited that Cassandra's going to be going off to college. It's something that we just always dreamt about for our kids.
The impact that Ford Driving Dreams has had on my family is showing my family that there are other ways to afford college education no matter what background you're from.
I would tell other parents to encourage their children to apply for the Ford Driving Dreams Scholarship to help with any of the unexpected costs that may pop up during the application process for college.
I challenge you to drive your dreams and to apply to the Ford Driving Dreams Scholarship when it opens up later this year.